Good morning, children. Hope you all are fit and fine at home. Today, again, we are going to continue our chapter 5 of our EVS book, Force, Work, and Energy. In our yesterday's video, I have taught you about different types of forces. And what is force? Force is pull and push. Now, in today's class, we'll proceed a little further by discussing about the different types of forces as given in your EVS book. First type of force is muscular force, the force applied by the muscles of human beings and animals to carry out physical activities is called muscular force. In our daily life, we use muscular force to do activities like carrying water buckets, writing in the notebooks, squeezing a lemon, lifting heavy weights, and many more. Animals also make use of muscular force to do physical activities. For example, an elephant uses muscular force to carry logs. Bulls make use of muscular force to pull a cart. Children, as you can see over here, what is muscular strength? It is an ability of a muscle or muscles to push or pull with its or their total force. ये हमारी मसल्स की एबिलिटी होती है पुश और पुल करने की. सो बेटा व्हाट इज मस्कुलर फोर्स? दैट फोर्स विच इज डन विद द हेल्प ऑफ आवर मसल्स, and it happens in case of human beings also and animals also. Animals also use their muscular force to push or pull heavy weights, as you can see in the picture, children. What can you see? Two bulls are there and they are carrying heavy load with the help of their muscles. Then over here on this picture also you can see that a person is lifting a bucket with the help of muscular force. This also picture, I hope you can see a man lifting a heavy weight with the help of its muscles, right children? So I hope you must have understood that muscular force is that force which is applied by the muscles of human beings and animals to carry out physical activities. Now coming to our second types of force, that is gravitational force. It is commonly known as gravity. Hindi में it is called गुरुत्वाकर्षण. The pull of the earth to its surface is called gravity. Try throwing a ball up in the air. It comes down to the ground in a few seconds. This action is caused by the gravitational pull of the earth. We are able to walk or run because of gravitational force present on the earth. Due to absence of gravity in space, the astronauts float in the air. Yes children, you guessed it right. As you can see in the picture, a boy is throwing a ball up in the air, but due to gravitational force, the ball is coming down. Although he is throwing the ball up in the air, but it is coming down. Why it is coming down? Because of the gravitational force. You can see children, because of the gravitational force, everything which is thrown upward comes to the ground, and this is known as gravitational force. Okay, a few example of gravitational forces. You can see some example of gravitational force that holds the gases in the sun, the force that causes a ball you throw in the air to come down again, the force that causes the moon to revolve around the earth. ऐसे हवा में moon जो है earth के चारों तरफ चक्कर लगाता है. Why? Because of the gravitational forces which are present over there. So children, and because of the gravitational pull, everything when thrown or when it falls, it comes to the ground, that is it comes downward. We are able to move and walk on the surface of the earth because of the gravitational force. And the latest example of this is that in the space where there is no gravitational force, the astronauts who go to study in the space are not able to move or walk or run on the surface of the moon. They always remain floating over there because of the gravitational force. वहाँ पे gravitational force नहीं है, इसलिए वहाँ पे astronauts floats in the air. Now what is magnetic force? What would you do if you lost a key in a hay stack? Would you try to find the key by separating the haystack? It would be time consuming. Instead, we can use a magnet to find a key from the haystack. The magnet will attract the key. Thus, we will find the key. The force applied by magnet on an iron object is called magnetic force. Yes, children, you can see in the picture there is a magnet and the magnet, this magnet is attracting all the nails towards its north and south poles. These are the poles. This is a magnet. It is attracting the iron towards its pole because of the magnetic force present. Okay, children. So let me show you one more picture of this. Yes, this is a magnet, red color magnet, and it you can see the nails. There are 3 nails and they are attracted to the poles of the magnet. Why? Because of the magnetic force which is present in the magnet. Over here in this picture also you can see it very clearly. So we can find out that what is magnetic force. Magnetic force is that force which pushes magnets apart or pulls them together. Magnets that are far apart do not push or pull enough to move each other. The magnetic force between two magnets is weak when magnets are far apart. अगर उनको दूर दूर बहुत दूर रख देंगे तो उनका magnet जो है magnetic field will become, the magnetic power or the magnetic force will weaken, and then they will not attract the nails or iron. The magnetic force gets stronger as the magnets are brought closer together. So I hope you must have understood, children, what is a magnetic force. So this is also a kind of force which attracts the things towards each other. And the example given over here is that अगर आपकी एक कोई key है and it is lost in a haystack, उसके अंदर घुस गई है और आपको दिखाई नहीं दे रही है, तो then how will you find out? You will put your hands inside the haystack and then try to find out. Otherwise there is one other option with you. You can just put a magnet. Just put a magnet inside the haystack and it will automatically attract the key towards each other so that it is doing its work. So children, I hope this magnetic force is very clear to you. Now moving towards the last type of force is frictional force. What is frictional force? Friction is a force that opposes the motion of an object. Have you noticed that when you push a ball, it stops rolling by itself because of the force of friction? Frictional force slows down the moving object. We are able to walk because of frictional force. We don't slip because of friction between our shoes and the floor. The amount of friction depends upon the type of surface. There is less friction on a smooth surface as compared to rough surface. Yes, children. So what is frictional force? Friction is a force that opposes the motion of the object. अगर कोई object तेज गति से बहुत दूर से रोल करते हुए आ रही है, तो जब हम उसके रोलिंग को स्टॉप करेंगे, then what is created? Friction is created. Because of the frictional force, we can slow down the movement of an object and we are able to walk on the surface of the earth because of the friction force. ठीक है? And otherwise, अगर friction force नहीं होता तो हम क्या करते हैं? We would have slip. Okay, children, and the amount of friction depends upon the type of surface. What type of surface is that? Is there is less friction or more friction depends upon the type of surface, whether it is a smooth surface or a rough surface. In smooth surface there is less friction and in rough surface there is more friction. This concept can be more clear to you in our next video. In today's video we have, yes children, there are certain pictures in this video also which will clear the concept to you, like what is friction. Friction is that force that opposes motion between two surfaces, and it depends upon what? It depends upon the type of surface and the forces between the surface. You can see surface कैसा है. अगर ये surface गीला है तो person will slip. If it is a rough surface, the person will not slip. Right, children? So जब हम किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को पुश या पुल करते हैं सरफेस में तो फ्रिक्शन क्रिएट होता है. फ्रिक्शन इज क्रिएटेड एंड दिस फ्रिक्शन कॉजेस फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स. फ्रिक्शन ऑल्सो प्रोड्यूसेस हीट. और जब हम किसी सामान को सरफेस में रगड़ते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ़ यू रब योर हैंड्स टुगेदर क्विकली, दे गेट वार्मर, गर्म हो जाते हैं. अगर आप दोनों हथेलियों को आपस में रगड़ेंगे तो आप देखेंगे कि वो गर्म हो जाती है. वाई? इट बिकम्स वार्म बिकॉज ऑफ द हीट प्रोड्यूस ड्यू टू द फ्रिक्शन. जब हम दोनों हथेलियों को अपने आपस में दोनों हथेलियों को रगड़ते हैं और उसको अपनी आइस के ऊपर रखते हैं तो वी फील वार्मथ ऑफ आवर हैंड. एंड दिस वार्म कहाँ से आया? दिस वार्म बिकॉज ऑफ द फ्रिक्शन. Friction is a resistance to motion created by two objects moving against each other. Rub your hands together, what happens? The heat you feel is friction. Try faster and slow, what happens? देखो, एक बार जल्दी जल्दी करके देखो और एक बार स्लो स्लो करके देखो. जल्दी करोगे तो ज़्यादा हीट प्रोड्यूस होगी, स्लो करोगे तो कम हीट प्रोड्यूस होगी, कम फ्रिक्शन प्रोड्यूस होगा. नाउ व्हेन यू पुल द ब्रेक्स ऑन योर बाइसिकल, साइकिल को चलाते चलाते अचानक से जब आप ब्रेक लगाते हो, द ब्रेक प्रेसिंग अगेंस्ट द टायर एंड द टायर रबिंग अगेंस्ट द स्ट्रीट, और वो आपको एक आवाज़ आती है और आपकी साइकिल रुक जाती है विथ फोर्स, विथ द हेल्प ऑफ फ्रिक्शन. तो जो आपने ब्रेक लगाई और उसकी वजह से टायर रब हुई और उस रबिंग की वजह से क्या प्रोड्यूस हुआ स्ट्रीट में? फ्रिक्शन प्रोड्यूस हुआ. दैट इज कॉल्ड फ्रिक्शन. नाउ थिंक ऑफ बॉलिंग. एज द बॉल गोज डाउन एंड डाउन द लेन, वॉट हैपन्स? जब आप बॉलिंग करते हो तो बॉल फेंकते हो तो बॉल रोल करते हुए जाती है तो क्या होता है? द बॉल बिगिंस टू स्लो. दिस इज फ्रिक्शन. पहले तो तेजी से जाएगी, फिर धीरे 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 स्लो होती जाएगी. द बॉल में लीन और स्टार्ट रोलिंग वन डायरेक्शन और द अदर. दिस इज फ्रिक्शन. आई होप you must have understood, children, what is friction. So once again, friction is the force that opposes the motion between two surfaces. So children, in today's video we have learnt about 4 types of forces. Muscular force with the help of our muscles, then gravitational force. This is a force of earth which is present on the earth's surface. Then magnetic force. This is a force which is present in the magnet, due to which it attracts the iron objects towards it. And the last type of force is frictional force, is a force which opposes the motion of an object. So I hope these 4 types of forces are very clear to you. Okay children, take care, stay home, stay safe.